What up, my YouTube family? I'm making chicken fajitas today. I just got me some diced chili, rotel that I'm gonna throw in there. That's my fajita mix. I'm gonna mix. I got something new here, y'all. 3 chili salsa gourmet. I'm not gonna use too much because it's hot. Hold on, y'all. It's gonna go black for a minute. Hold on. And over here, I'm cooking the chicken. Y'all see it? Still steaming. It's hot. And I made some rice this time, y'all. I'm gonna put some rice in on mine. I'm gonna eat mine different. Like, I'm gonna have my burrito on the side with the rice and the chicken. It's gonna be good, y'all. Stay tuned.